There's a moment in every journey when you're faced with a decision, to keep going or to give up. It's a moment that every single person will face in their life, no matter who they are or what they're striving for. And that moment, the one when the challenges are mounting, the doubts are creeping in, and the road ahead seems impossible, that's the moment that defines who you are. Because here's the truth, anyone can keep going when things are easy. Anyone can stay motivated when the sun is shining, the wind is at their back, and the path is clear. But what will you do when the storm comes? When the setbacks pile up? When the people around you say, maybe it's time to quit? This is when you are tested. When everything in you wants to stop, when you hit that wall, when the pain is almost unbearable, that's the moment when you find out what you're really made of. Are you going to give in, or are you going to rise up? The power of persistence. You see, persistence is not just a word, it's a way of life. Persistence means showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it. It means getting up after every fall, dusting yourself off, and stepping forward once more. Persistence means keeping your eyes fixed on the prize, even when the odds are stacked against you. Life will knock you down. That's a guarantee. There will be days when you question everything, your path, your abilities, even your purpose. But those are the days that matter most. Because on the other side of that struggle, on the other side of that pain, lies your growth, your strength, and your ultimate success. Remember, success isn't about avoiding failure, it's about pushing through failure. Every time you refuse to give up, you're getting stronger. Every time you push through the pain, you're becoming more resilient. And every time you take one more step forward, no matter how small, you're moving closer to your goal. The courage to keep going. It takes courage to keep going. Courage to face another day, another challenge, and another setback. Courage to keep believing in yourself when no one else does. Courage to trust that every effort you make is bringing you one step closer to where you want to be. But here's the secret, that courage lives inside you. You have everything you need right now to persevere through whatever life throws at you. You are stronger, braver, and more capable than you can imagine. And every time you feel like giving up, remember this. You've already survived everything life has thrown at you so far. You're still standing. You're still here. So why stop now? Embrace failure as fuel. Failure is not the end. In fact, it's just the beginning. Failure is feedback. It's the universe's way of showing you what doesn't work, so you can find out what does. Every time you fail, you gain knowledge, experience, and insight that you didn't have before. Successful people aren't the ones who never fail, they're the ones who refuse to be defined by failure. They see failure for what it really is, a stepping stone on the path to success. So, when failure comes knocking, don't run from it. Embrace it. Learn from it. Use it as fuel to push yourself even harder. The mindset of resilience. What separates those who succeed from those who give up isn't talent, resources, or luck, it's mindset. It's the ability to stay resilient in the face of adversity. It's the refusal to let setbacks stop you. It's the unwavering belief that, no matter how hard things get, there is always a way forward. Your mindset is everything. It's what keeps you going when your body wants to stop. It's what helps you see opportunities where others see obstacles. It's what allows you to stay focused on your goals when distractions are everywhere. Cultivate a mindset of resilience by reminding yourself every day that you are capable of greatness. That you have what it takes to overcome anything that stands in your way. That every challenge you face is an opportunity for growth. And that, no matter how many times you fall, you will always get back up. Why you cannot give up? You cannot give up because your dreams are worth fighting for. You cannot give up because the people who believe in you are counting on you. You cannot give up because you owe it to yourself to see this through. You cannot give up because your future is waiting for you to claim it. Think of all the things you've already overcome in your life. Think of the times when you thought you couldn't go on, but you did. Think of the moments when you felt like you were at your breaking point, but somehow you found the strength to keep going. That strength is still in you. You've come too far to give up now. The pain you're feeling today will be your strength tomorrow. The struggles you're facing now will be the stories you tell of triumph and victory in the future. Every setback is setting you up for a comeback. Keep moving forward. So keep going. Keep pushing. Keep striving. Because the only way you lose is if you give up. And that's not who you are. You are a fighter. You are a warrior. You are unstoppable. No matter how hard things get, remember, you cannot give up. Your breakthrough is just around the corner. Your success is waiting for you. All you have to do is keep moving forward, one step at a time. Believe in yourself. Trust the process. And never, ever give up. There are moments in life when everything feels heavy, when the obstacles seem insurmountable, and the path forward appears uncertain. It's in these moments that we face the ultimate test, the moment where many choose to walk away, but not you, not today. Because deep down, you know there is no other option, you cannot give up. Life throws challenges at you not to break you, but to build you. Every obstacle, every setback, every failure is a lesson in disguise. It's easy to feel defeated, to believe that the universe is against you. But here's the truth, the universe isn't against you, it's pushing you toward greatness. You cannot give up because your story is still being written. The challenges you're facing now are chapters in that story, chapters that will define your strength, your resilience, and your determination. Every great success was born from a moment of struggle. Every hero, every champion, has faced moments of doubt, moments of weakness, but what separates them from the rest is their refusal to quit. The strength of perseverance. You may be tired. You may feel like you've given everything you have. But remember this, you are stronger than you think. Every time you push through the pain, every time you rise after a fall, you are proving to yourself that quitting is not an option. Think about the people who look up to you, your family, your friends, those who believe in you. Imagine their faces when they see you overcome the odds, when they witness your relentless drive to succeed. You are not just fighting for yourself, you are fighting for everyone who believes in you. The power of persistence. There will be times when you'll want to stop, when the road feels too long and the destination seems out of reach. But it's in those moments that you must dig deep. Success doesn't come from never failing, it comes from never giving up. Every failure is a stepping stone toward your goal. Every setback is a setup for a greater comeback. Remember why you started this journey. Hold that vision in your mind. Let it fuel you when you're exhausted, let it guide you when you feel lost, and let it remind you that quitting is not an option. Embrace the struggle. The struggle you're facing is shaping you into the person you were meant to be. The pain, the challenges, the hardships, they are refining you, sharpening you, making you stronger. Embrace the struggle, because it's forging you into something greater. You cannot give up now. The world needs you. Your dreams are worth fighting for, and your future is waiting for you to claim it. The only way you'll ever know how far you can go is by refusing to give up. So keep going, even when it's hard. Keep going, even when you're tired. Keep going, even when everything inside you says stop. Because the moment you think about quitting is the moment when you're closest to your breakthrough. Believe in yourself. At the end of the day, it comes down to one thing, belief. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, and believe in the fact that you can overcome anything that stands in your way. You've come too far, fought too hard, and endured too much to stop now. So keep moving forward, one step at a time. You may not be able to see the light at the end of the tunnel, but trust me, it's there, waiting for you. Never forget, you are capable of greatness. You have everything inside you that you need to succeed. And as long as you refuse to give up, nothing, absolutely nothing, can stop you from achieving your dreams. Thank you for listening today. Remember, you cannot give up. Your time is coming, your success is inevitable, and your greatness is within reach. Keep pushing, keep striving, and never, ever give up.